Students, today again I came with the topic refraction of light, since it is a very lengthy topic. So we are discussing today the new topics which are critical angle, factors affecting critical angle, and the total internal reflection. These are very common and very important topics for ICSE class 10 students. You need to understand what is critical angle, you need to understand what are the factors affecting this critical angle, and in which condition the reflection which is totally taking place. You must be surprised that we are discussing the chapter refraction of light, but we are bringing this reflection of light here. Interesting. Let's see what is critical angle. Now students, we are trying to understand the critical angle. What is critical angle? So we have taken a separating media which is separating two boundaries. We have taken a separating media and there are two different mediums. The light is traveling from denser medium to the rarer medium. So we have taken a particular angle I1, suppose I1, angle of incidence. So when it is going from denser to rarer medium, as per the law, as per the rule of refraction of light, what we have learnt, that the ray of light will not go from its actual path. It will bend away from the normal. Yes students? It is clear? So this would be the angle of refraction. Let it be R1. Taking another condition, another normal we are taking. In this case, we are taking little bit greater angle. The angle of incidence we are increasing. We are increasing the angle of incidence here. This be I2, suppose. Okay. So again it should go in this way, but it will not go. It will bend away from the normal like this. Yes students? As per the nature of the ray of light due to this refraction of light. So this is R2. You can see the value of I increases, so the value of R also increases. Okay students? Another condition we are taking, another normal we will draw. We will take bigger incident angle of incidence. Let it be I3. So there will be a condition where it should go like this. But unfortunately it will not go, it will go along with this separating medium. Very interesting topic students. You must have seen the ray is bending away from the normal, and while doing this phenomena, while performing this particular task, the ray of light reaches to that condition where it touches the boundary. This phenomena is known as grazing emergence. Do you know? Grazing emergence. Now you must be thinking, sir, you are talking about critical angle, then why you are bringing grazing emergence? It's a new topic for you. So I am coming to that only. The condition where the angle of incidence will be in such a way that the angle of refraction to the another medium will become 90 degree. Once again students, the angle of incidence will be in such a way that the angle of refraction to the next medium along with the normal, it will become 90 degree. That angle of incidence is known as critical angle. If the angle of refraction from when the ray of light is traveling from denser to rarer medium, in that case, if the angle of refraction becomes 90 degree, then the angle of incidence becomes critical angle. Okay students, I hope you have understood this. Now I will go for the expression of critical angle and the factors affecting of that. The expression for critical angle is very simple students. That is sin C is equals to 1 by the refractive index of the denser medium to the rarer medium with respect to the rarer medium. So very simple formula. On this formula I will show you one small numerical so that it will be clear to you which kind of question may come. Find the critical angle of the medium, given medium, having the refractive index of 1.5 or 3/2 you can write. So we know that It's a glass medium, obviously. So what is the refractive index has been given, students? 1.5. And what we have to find? Critical angle. So the formula sin C is equal to 1 by the refractive index. What is that? 1.5. Am I clear, students? So sin C is equal to, if you solve this, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 50. So it will be 2 by 3. Further, it will be C is equals to sine inverse. I hope you are dealing with the sine, cos and trigonometrical tables. So you will be able to find with the help of that. So it is approximate, students. It will give you the value of 42 degree. If you see the table, it will be approximate 42 degree. It means this 42 degree is the critical angle for the given medium, that is glass. It may vary also. In different questions, in different numericals, there is a chance that you will get different values of the critical angle. But generally, we take for glass that is 42 degree. Further, we will go for the factors affecting critical angle. Now, students, we will see the factors affecting the critical angle. The first factor, as you can see, is a refractive index. Second factor is temperature. And third factor is wavelength or color of light. Let's see what happens. Refractive index. If refractive index will increase, what will happen? Critical angle will increase or decrease? Question mark. The answer is critical angle will decrease. They are inversely proportional, students. Explanation. With the material medium, refractive index is, if it is more, then the light will pass slowly. Okay, and in the previous video you can see I have explained how it is interrelated, the speed of light along with the refractive index. So generally we should understand the refractive index will increase, so the critical angle will decrease, or in other words you can say, if the refractive index will decrease, the critical angle will increase. Second point, temperature. Temperature if you increase of any medium, what happens? We are allowing the particles to move freely. We are increasing the kinetic energy of them. Yes, students? So the temperature will increases, the denser medium will behave like a rarer medium. It will start beginning act like rarer medium. So the temperature will increase, then what will happen? The refractive index will decrease. Refractive index will decrease. And if refractive index will decrease, I have told you, the critical angle will increase. They are inversely proportional. Very easy, students. Third and final, wavelength. This relationship along with the refractive index I have told you. If the wavelength of light will increase, then refractive index of the medium will decrease. Yes, students? And if it is decreasing, the critical angle will increase. So these are the important factors of the critical angle which are affecting. I have explained through the expressions, through the notations to understand in a much better way. You can see the book explanation also. If you have found any difficulty, you can please mention in the comment box. And before ending this video, I will just give you a hint for the total internal reflection. In the next video, I will explain that because it's a lengthy topic. Many questions we have to do. Total internal reflection. Why are we are bringing this topic in this refraction of light chapter? Total internal reflection means where light rays are not allowed to refract. And when this condition comes, when the critical angle, when the incident angle is greater than the critical angle. What I am saying? When the incident angle will be greater than the critical angle. Whatever the critical angle given for this given medium, it is glass or water or whatever. When this is greater than critical angle, in that case total internal reflection will take place. So I am giving the homework to you to go through this topic topics what I explained to you, as well as to read the point, the part, that total internal reflection, how it takes place. Next video, I'll come with the total internal reflection along with different ray diagrams. Thank you so much. Have a good day.